Hey guys, welcome back. This is Stock Brock. Today I want to talk about last week's trading action, how the major indexes moved, what volatility is doing, what sentiment is doing, which sectors and stocks stood out, how crypto performed, and what to watch for in the short trading week ahead. So we had the S&P 500 down about 2%, Dow Jones roughly down 1.9%, Nasdaq down around 2.7%, and Russell 2000 held up pretty well, down roughly 0.8%. Pretty much a broad-based pullback across equities. And the volatility index reached a height of about $28, showing increased hedging and market fear, as shown in the AAII investor sentiment. Bullish 32.6%, below long-term average. Bearish up 43.6% above average, shows retail investors are a lot more cautious heading into the new week. As far as sectors, we had the weakest performers in technology, dragged down by names like Nvidia and Meta, pressure on stocks like Netflix and Google, relative outperformers. Industrials and value names like Caterpillar held up decently well, better than the broader market, and the defensive sector like Duke Energy saw modest gains as money rotated into the safer names. Some of the stocks that outperformed last week, large cap only, here are three that actually outperformed last week. Walmart up 3.1%, Johnson & Johnson up 2.8%, and Procter & Gamble up 2.5%. These were among the bright spots in a weak market that we're experiencing, with people rotating their money more into defensive and consumer staple names, helping them outperform. And I also want to highlight the crypto performance because it's a risk on asset and we're going risk off at the moment. Bitcoin down about 9%, Ethereum down about 9%. Solana also pulled back with altcoins also all under pressure. Crypto weakness added to the broader risk off tone. Outlook and what to watch for in the coming week. This is a holiday shortened week, which means there will be lower liquidity, meaning moves can be a lot more exaggerated. A lot of people take time off for the holidays and go away and aren't trading, so the volume is going to be a lot lower. Some key events to watch out for this week. We have Tuesday, November 25th at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, retail sales and food services report. Wednesday, November 26th, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, durable goods orders. Thursday, we have the markets closed for Thanksgiving. And Friday, November 28th, there is a half-day session. Markets close at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. What you want to watch for in this coming week, lower volume and more volatility potentially. Any Fed commentary that comes out. Also look out for any earnings surprises. And you want to watch the reactions to macro data that comes out, since we've had a lackluster of data in the previous month. When you're in a low liquidity market, you want to look at your support and resistance areas a lot more, because a small catalyst can produce outsized moves, either up or down. Last week was a clear reset, indices down across the board, sentiment weakened quite a bit, crypto slipped, and only a handful of large caps outperformed. With a shortened week ahead, focus on the data drops Tuesday and Wednesday, and expect choppier price action. Thanks for watching this Stock Rock. Peace.